this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install HFM Online Trading app from Google Play Store. So if you are struggling with installing this app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this issue. First, go back to your smartphone apps and look for Google Play Store. From Play Store, tap on it and make sure you are trying to install this app while logged in with your Gmail account. However, if you are already logged in but can't install, then go to your profile and click settings, then choose network preferences and then look for app download preference. Here, choose the first option over any network. This will ensure you can download and install this app via the current network you are connected to. Tap on OK to save the changes and you should be able to download and install your app. However, should this not work, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself, and for that we need to troubleshoot Play Store. To do that, we need to go to Play Store app info page by just long pressing on Play Store, and you can see app info. If you tap on app info, we shall be taken to Google Play Store app info page. If you can get to this, you can also just go to settings. So if I go to settings, look for apps, then all apps or manage apps to open a list of all the apps you have and search for Play Store. And here we go, we have a Google Play Store here. At this point, go to force stop app and OK, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally OK. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to Google Play Store, now open it and search for your app by name. So I'll activate search and search for HFM like that, and I'll run my search. Now you can see our app is here. I'll try to install and see if the problem has been fixed. And now look at that, I'm able to download and install HFM Online Trading app. However, at this point, if you still have an issue, you may want to check if you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, free up space by deleting unused or unwanted apps and media files such as images and videos from your phone. So that's how you can fix can't install HFM Markets app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.